Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Abul Hashim once again in front of you. Right now I am standing in a very beautiful place. Look over there. This is a garden, tree garden. There are a lot of trees here. There are many kinds of trees here. Today I would like to describe about the main parts of the trees. I will show you the underground part. Here is the underground part. This part absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. You know, this is the second part of the tree. This is stem. It's called trunk. This is thick part of the stem. This part carries whole trees. You know, the third part of the trees are branches. This is the branches. The third part of the trees are branches. Branches grow from stem. You know, branches grow from trunk. And this is the final part of a tree, that fruits and flowers. Flowers makes beauty a tree, and we eat food from these trees. Thank you everyone to stay with me. Please follow my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.